Imagine jetting off to an exotic destination, sipping a cocktail on a sun-drenched beach, all for just $500. Sounds like a dream, right? But is it possible? Or is it as mythical as a unicorn on a unicycle? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the truth and see if your piggy bank can handle it. First stop, research. Where can you go without selling a kidney? Destinations like Vietnam, Mexico, and South Africa offer rich experiences without draining your wallet. But remember, $500 isn't just for flights. Accommodation, food, activities, it all adds up faster than you can say budget overrun. So, how we make it work? Let's dive into some savvy traveler tips. Tip number 1, travel during off-peak seasons. Not only will you save money, but you'll also avoid the tourist stampede. Ever tried taking a selfie with 100 strangers photobombing? Not fun. Tip number 2, embrace local cuisine. Street food isn't just delicious, it's also easy on the wallet. Plus, who wouldn't want to try a dish they can't pronounce? Tip number 3, public transportation is your best friend. It's cheaper, and you'll get a taste of local life. Just make sure you're not on the mystery route to nowhere. By being resourceful and flexible, that $500 can stretch further than you'd expect. So, can you travel with just $500? The answer is, curious about the best places to visit in Spain? Click on our next video to discover hidden gems and must-see spots.